Hey guys, it's Skybird, and this is just an update video. I want to give a bit of a channel update. I like to do these every once in a while, and we've got some exciting stuff in this one, so stay tuned for that. But one of the main things I wanted to mention is that I've started working in the background on a big video that has to deal with an actual Lego Bionicle prototype, so that's going to be an exciting one. It is one that's been kind of rolling around in the background for a handful of months now, and I'm really excited about it. But I want to make sure that I put as much effort as I can into that video. Along with that, I've also got some other prototype videos that I want to make dealing with like reverse engineering of official prototypes and things like that. And that's something that'll continue far into the future as well. I also have a couple of bootleg sets on the way here. One I actually got for free, so I'm not going to complain about it. It's one that I've been looking for years, although it is missing the most important part as far as I can tell, which is unfortunate. I do have a handful of other bootlegs as well in the hands of a friend of mine who's just kind of holding on to them, so that's really cool. Some other bootlegs and things coming as well. I know you guys really love that stuff. I always love it. It's always fun to see interesting bootlegs of like different, especially stuff that's like recolored, and there's some stuff like that in here, so I'm really excited about it. But along with all of that, wanted to mention we finished up the Mystica breakdown videos. I do have to make the short video for this one here. I'll see if I can get that one finished up today so you guys can build the cape or wing suit, whatever you want to call this thing, for Kopaka here. And along with that, got a handful of other shorts. I also want to make one for the Chibi Tahu build because I adore it so much. It's so cute. And it's made with some fairly easy to get pieces, although the feet right now are using some bootleg pieces for bars, but axles work just the same. I like to just pose his feet, and we have two long bars from Lego now. They just have the stopper in the middle, which works fine. Along with all of that, though, I put out a video yesterday, completely unrelated to what I usually do on the channel. It was about the Illuminati situation, mostly my take on it. I don't really want to step into the drama side of it too much, but that did a lot better than I expected it to do, so I'm very happy about that. I got a lot of positive comments and feedback on the video as well. But it was honestly just kind of like a turn on the camera and start talking, because I had a few things I wanted to touch on in that video that I felt like were really important, and it was more about the person, not so much the drama, not so much what was going on with them and with the people that they were hurting. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You can watch that video if you want to check it out. I like to hope that it's a good one. But yeah, so those are the main things here. I have been working on a list of some other content to get out there as well. Obviously got a handful of, I've got 3 more Mystica breakdown builds to do specifically, and then I've got the Baraki challenge as well. And we hit 1,400 subscribers today, so we are just 100 away from our goal, which we have to hit hopefully in the next 6 days. So fingers crossed on that one. Let's see if we can get there. But yeah, 1,500 subscribers means we will have doubled our subscriber count in the last month, which is insane to think about. I've already mentioned that. I keep not believing the numbers in front of my eyes, and thank you all, because you all make that possible. But yeah, so I'm actually going to be starting probably on making at least one of the models tonight for the Baraki challenge, although that will not be revealed until after we are at our 1,500 goal, or after the 12th, whichever comes first. And then each video will have 3 of the combination models in it, so I'll actually be reviewing 3 models at a time. That way I don't just bury the channel in 15 videos, but rather can get the whole thing done in just 5 parts, which is still a lot, but it's a lot better than 15 parts, you know? So we'll see what I'm able to come up with. I have a lot of plans for this kind of stuff going in the future. And of course we have some revamps for the Glatorian era and the Baraki era coming as well. So I want to do some revamps for 2007, 2009. Let me know which of those you would want to see first. And I still want to do the revamps of the 2008 Makuta sets as well, but that's going to take a little bit longer because I'd really like those to be more grand, more Titan-like in their design, which is not something that I normally do, but when I hear the word Makuta, I always think back to 2003, to the original Titan himself, and so I want to pay at least a little bit of tribute to that. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe, share this one so we can get to that 1,500 goal. And of course, as always, my links for Discord and Instagram are in the description below. And if you'd like to support the channel, then Patreon will be down there as well. And Brint is officially paid, so yay. But I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care.